Hello students, welcome to another beautiful day of class. Thanks to God, He provided us another amazing day. So, we are in August, and in August we celebrate the family month. August is the month of the family. So today we're going to work in special activity about the family. First, we are going to learn something important about families. So, August is National Family Fun Month. And I'm going to explain you about the different types of family. There exist many types of families, but today we're just going to talk about 3 types of family. The first one is the nuclear family. So, this family is the one that is integrated or composed by both parents, the mother and the father, and the children or child. That's nuclear family, when both parents exist. Then we have single parent family. Is when just one of the parents it is with the child or with the children. It can be the mother or it can be the father. Then we have extended family. Extended family is when you live with your mother, with your father, but also with your grandmother, or with your grandfather, or your uncle, or your aunt, but all of them live with you in the same house. So that's extended family. Now we are going to work on something, so you're going to need some materials. The materials that you're going to use are 1 bond sheet of paper, 1 pencil, 1 eraser, 1 black marker, your scissors, silicone or glue, and 2 sheets of construction paper of different colors. First, in the bond sheet of paper, what you're going to do is something very easy. You are going to write in the bond sheet of paper the name of our school. Here, you're going to write in this part, Alfonso Milson Christian School, and then your name, not mine, your name here, in the middle. After you write your name, you are going to write 3rd grade B, just that. Then you're going to draft 1 tree. Here I have 1 tree with their branches, so you're going to draft a tree. Here, on the middle of the page, is going to be the tree. In this part, you need to leave like this space free. And also, after you finish to draw the tree, it can be a tree like this one, or it can be a tree like this one. But without the hearts. What you're going to do is, with the construction paper, you are going to draft some hearts in the construction paper of different colors. You are going to draft some hearts. And according to the amount of people that you have in your family, you're going to draft 1 heart for each one. So you're going to draft 1 heart for your mother, 1 heart for your father, 1 for your sister and brother, or whoever who lives with you. When you have the hearts, you are going to paste them in the tree that you already draft. And at the end, you're going to have something like this. If you have 1 picture of your mother and of your father and of your sister or you're going to paste the picture here on the heart. If you don't have picture, you can write down names just like the one that I have here. And after you finish, you are going to write here. When you finish, you are going to write here on the back, My family is a blessing from God. My family is a blessing from God. And that's everything that you have to do. Espero que se diviertan trabajando en su arte manual en este día. That was everything that you have to do for today's class. See you until next class. I hope you enjoy your handcraft. And I'm sending you blessings from the Lord's hug and kiss.